the user will request, right? So here the user will request to the web server, right? With the form elements, we are going to see what based on two attributes, action and method. I will explain that one, right? So here user will request for the web server, correct? And web server will send that particular request. It will respond after filling out form, right? After filling out the form, again the content will send back to the web server, right? To perform this task, there should be some attributes to be included in the program, right? So while requesting, this user what expecting, he is expecting to get some form, right? You please notice my words here. The when user will request the form, he is expecting to get some form, expecting to get. So here user is getting the form from the web server, right? So one element is what? Get. Okay, one element or one attribute we are going to use is get. Other one is post. Post means here he will write the content. Okay, after getting the form, he will fill all the data here. Then he going to post. Post means what? He going to send that data back to the web server, right? So post here, get here, right? Here two actions should be done here, right? Two action, that's what two method is going to be happen here. One is user is expecting to get one form from the web server, right? So when he is requesting, he will use get method. When he is submitting, he is using post method, right? These are two form elements. These are the two form elements, two essential feature of any form, namely the action and the method attributes. Okay, here I will show on if the program is there. See, form method equal to get, action equal to process.php. So method and action, these are the two attributes. Under two attributes are using what? Get and post elements here. Okay, method means what? Method means in what way here in what way the user is getting the form. Method, in which method, whether is getting from get method. Okay, first is get method. Get method means he has not yet filled that form. Okay, he is expecting that form. Okay, he is expecting that form. So that is the reason he has used get here. Here first is get. Get means the CSS form is not yet get by that particular user, so is requesting for the form. Earlier the element will be get, right? After getting that form, he will fill that particular form here, right? After that he want to post. When we submit, when we click on the submit, automatically the get will replaced with what? Post. Okay, next action means in the web server where that server side program is there. Okay, after posting, that content will be sent to the web server like through what? Query string. To process that, there should be one server side program, right? So that server side program path, the process.php, this is the name they have given for that server side program in the web server. That name we have to specify here in the action there. So when we sent back that form through a post element, right, that content will be what? Sent to this particular server side program. It will execute the query string, right? These are the two attributes, basic attributes or important attributes we're going to see in any forms. That is action and method. Action, it includes the server side program where that program is there, where that in the server, in the web server, where that program is reside. Okay, next, then in the method part, in the method you're going to give get or post. Method means what? Initially it is requesting for the form, it will be in the get method, so it is expecting to get some, right? While submitting, it's going to post data, post that form to the web server, right? Next, so get versus post. Okay, what are the differences? What are the differences we have with the get method and post method? Okay, if we use get method, the data will be clearly in the address bar. You can see, right? So once you get the form, you can see in the address bar, right? From which Gmail and what is the name of the form, everything you can see in the address bar, right? You can see in the address bar. And data remains in browsers history and cache. Okay, after submitting the form or after while getting the form, if you go and check in the history, right, in the history in the browser, you can see that form will be there, that will be displayed over there, right? Data can be bookmarked in the sense that CSS form you can bookmark, right? I hope you guys know what is bookmark, right? You want to see one particular file or one particular page again and again, you can mark that file as a bookmark. So you just, it will be there on the browser side. You can go and click on that one, it will directly move to that particular file and it will open. It is what bookmark. If you use the get method, so all data will be in the browser. Basically, all characters or data is going to be in the browser, right? So if you use the post method, after posting, what the content we are sending, right? All the contents you are not able to see. How the web server will get that content, how it's going to execute, nothing will see, right? At last, we are going to see the output. So data can contain binary data. So that means the content we are sending, it is in text format. Okay, but while processing in the web server, it will convert to binary. So data can be contained in the binary data. Data is hidden from user. Right? Data is not able to see how that web server, how that data is going to execute. We can't see. Right? So that data is also not there in the cache. It is not in the cache history or bookmark in the what in the browser. Right? This is what the difference in get versus post. Get, whatever we're going to do, all will be there in the browser history. Basically, in simple words, when come to post, whatever we're going to do, nothing will be there in the history. All will be done at the back end of your website. This is what the form element is. Right? The action where the program is there on the web server, method, how the CSS, that page, that form is to get to the user, right? Post, how the content going to be sent, post to the web server. These are the some elements we're going to use, right? So when we use this one form method, right? So when we are sending, after submitting, when you are sending this data to the web server, at that program you're going to use this statement, form method equal to get, post equal to process.php, right? This is while getting the form. Posting, we'll get one more snippets you're going to write. There you have to use in the method part, you have to use post. That's it. This is what the form structure, the form element of the form.